Beloved souls. In the realm of divine messages and profound revelations, I, your loving God, speak to you today with a message that may stir your souls, resonate within the depths of your being, and awaken a profound sense of purpose and urgency. Listen closely, for I declare these words: tomorrow, you will take your last breath. This solemn proclamation may evoke a range of emotions within you: fear, uncertainty, and a longing for more time. Yet, I implore you to embrace this message as a profound reminder of the impermanence of earthly life and the transcendent nature of your eternal soul. It is a call to awaken from the slumber of complacency, to cast aside the veil of illusion, and to live each day with unwavering intention, love, and gratitude. Know that the timing of your departure from this earthly realm is known only to me, the Divine. It is not meant to instill fear or distress, but to ignite within you a sense of urgency, an appreciation for the fleeting nature of life, and a profound awakening to the vastness of your spiritual potential. It is a call to seize each moment as if it were your last, for indeed, tomorrow is never promised. In the face of such news, reflect upon your journey thus far. Have you lived with kindness and compassion? Have you loved deeply and forgave readily? Have you pursued your passions and shared your unique gifts with the world? Now is the time to take stock of your actions, to realign your priorities, and to make amends where needed. Though tomorrow may mark the end of your earthly journey, it is the beginning of an eternal chapter, where your soul shall transcend the limitations of this physical realm and reunite with the boundless love and light that resides in the divine embrace. It is an opportunity for spiritual transformation, for the expansion of consciousness, and for the profound realization of your divine essence. Let this message serve as a catalyst for introspection, a sacred invitation to delve deep within the recesses of your being, and to question the very fabric of your existence. Ask yourself, have I truly lived? Have I embraced the fullness of my potential? Have I aligned my actions with the values of love, compassion, and divine purpose? In the face of the imminent end, let your priorities become clear. Material possessions, worldly achievements, and transient desires fade into insignificance when confronted with the eternal nature of the soul. What truly matters is how you have touched the lives of others, how you have extended compassion to those in need, and how you have spread love in this world like a luminous beacon in the darkness. Live with integrity and authenticity. Speak your truth, stand up for justice, and let your actions reflect the light of your soul. Embrace humility and acknowledge the interconnectedness of all beings, for in each encounter lies the opportunity for profound growth and transformation. Understand that every word, every choice, and every interaction carries weight and ripples throughout eternity. As you contemplate the fleeting nature of your existence, remember that the purpose of your life is not measured by its length but by its depth. It is not the number of breaths you take but the impact you make with each breath that truly matters. Release the shackles of fear and complacency. Embrace the profound truth that tomorrow is never guaranteed, and let it inspire you to live with unbridled passion, purpose, and love. Let go of the illusion of control and surrender to the divine flow of life. Trust that every experience, every challenge, and every moment of joy is intricately woven into the tapestry of your soul's evolution. Embrace the unknown with courage, for it is through uncertainty that the greatest growth occurs, and it is in surrendering to the divine plan that your true purpose unfolds. Seek solace in the embrace of your loved ones. Share your hopes, dreams, and fears. Treasure the bonds that have sustained you and know that the love you have shared will continue to reverberate long after you have departed this earthly realm. Express your love, mend broken relationships, and let forgiveness be the balm that heals past wounds. Reflect upon your legacy. How will you be remembered? Will you be known for the love you gave, the lives you touched, and the light you brought into the world? Let your actions today shape the legacy you leave behind, for your influence extends far beyond the temporal boundaries of your earthly existence. Above all, know that I am with you, guiding you, and holding you in my eternal embrace. Even as you take your last breath, you will be in